I have these new products from Revolution Beauty that I want to try out for you. First up, I'm going to set my face with this Hydra baking powder. It only comes in one shade, which is translucent, and it's supposed to be a watery powder, and I love those. I used to use the one that was made by L'Oreal, and then there was one made by Becca, and then there was one made by Uoma Beauty that was beautiful, and I was super excited to see that kind of powder in the drugstore again with this. Let me get a puff, so I will be right back. Okay, I've got a puff, and let's open this up. They have definitely upgraded the way their powders are sealed. This is beautiful. Let's see. Yeah, there's definitely a little sticky thing on the inside of this. If I can get it off. Yes, okay. So it was sealed on the inside. There's this cap to keep it from flying all over the place. There. This new formula that they have is supposed to be, ooh, that's nice and fine. It's talc free, which is really nice. Wow, it's like baking powder. I've got some makeup on my hand already, but let's swatch this. Oh, it's nice. It's very nice. Let's put more on there. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I'm excited. Because the older I get, the more I need hydrating. I use way too much. Hydrating products. And this is supposed to be both hydrating and mattifying. So, my excitement is high. Yes. Yes. I'm going to do one side of my face only so you can see. Look how that's matte, but it's not flat. Matte, but not flat. And this side hasn't been powdered yet. But this side is nice and blurred and matte. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful powder. This is pretty. I'm in my 40s and I don't think that this makes my skin look old at all. I think it's really beautiful. Plus, I feel like I'm a young 40s. Yes. Yeah, this powder is beautiful. It's smooth. It didn't lift or break up any of my powder. It looks gorgeous. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back because I want to show you this setting spray. I'm excited. I will be right back. I have finished all of my makeup except for my mascara because setting sprays can make your eyelashes droop after you curl them. So let's see. This is supposed to be a Hydra Dewy. Dewy fixing mist. It's a 24-hour prep and set. I'm just going to use it to set my makeup. It has hyaluronic acid and coconut water, and you just shake Hear that? Yeah. Remove the cap. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Oh, it does. Janky, but all right. It's got a nice spray. Top is on there nice and tight. Ooh, I didn't even feel that go on my face. It's so fine. It's not overly dewy. I was worried about it looking like a nail slick, but it doesn't. It gives a nice sheen. It's pretty. It's really pretty. I'm going to finish my mascara and I'm going to give you the whole look for the day. And I think I'm going to turn this into a wear test. So I'll be back in a little while, in a second. My final look. I think this is gorgeous. I look like skin. I mean literal skin. This product is so good. If you like water powders, this is probably the best one I've ever used. It's not too wet and it was very easy to pat on my skin and it's gorgeous. It set my under eyes beautifully. I don't have any separating or creasing, or they don't look dry, which is amazing. I still haven't put on my mascara, but that's okay. I will get that on. Everything looks so good. I went over my bronzer and my blush with some powders, and that went on beautifully over the powder. I didn't even feel this going on my skin. I didn't feel it. This is amazing. The spray on this is spraytacular. Spraytacular. This is so good. This is good. This is so good. And it says dewy, but I look natural. I look like skin. So beautiful. And I'm in my 40s and I look younger. I don't know how I look younger, but my skin looks younger. I'll be back at the end of my day because I'm going to have a long day to show you if this held up or got greasy. And it's about 10 a.m. right now, so I'll be back. Hi everyone, I'm back. It's 9 p.m. and I have finished my very long day. I have been out in the heat, taking one of my children to an appointment. I have been cooking, frying some pork belly for my son's birthday dinner. Of course, I had his little birthday party. I have exercised and gotten sweaty and hot and all that good stuff. And this is the final look. I didn't touch up. And I would say that this held up really, really, really well. I do not look overly glowy except in this area right through here, a little bit on my forehead where I'm glowy anyway. The rest of my face just looks like regular normal skin. And when I say I got hot, I was in a car and it's like 94 degrees in my part of the world, so it was a hot, sweaty day. The kind of day where even though the AC in your car is running, it's still kind of steamy in the car, and my face has held up through that, plus frying some food, pork belly, and my exercise. It held up through all of it. So I'd say that this is a wonderful, wonderful thing for dry and oily skin. If your skin is on the oilier side or combination, then I would use like mine. My skin is very combination, but it's drier, but it's combination. I would use a matte primer where you get super oily. But other than that, this held up really well. This held up better, in my opinion, and on my skin than my mattifying products, believe it or not. So that is my review of the Revolution Hydro Powder and the Revolution Dewy Setting Mist. One little thing. This says it's a 24-hour mist. It is definitely long wear, but it didn't hold up for 24 hours. If you like this kind of video, my name's Mimi. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.